I've found a cunning way for a total beginner to make over $100 a day for free, and the best part is that this method works in every country in the world. I've tried it out numerous times, and it really does work, so enjoy this video and let's get started. The first step is to visit login.com. I'll include a link to GoLog in the video's description and pinned comment, along with my 40% off promo code. I use GoLogin as my secret weapon to make $100 to $200 per day, which I never disclosed on Earning Ideas 3 previously. GoLogin is an anti-detect browser that enables you to create proxies for almost any website. With these proxies, you can create and manage multiple accounts on almost any website. Therefore, even if some of the websites we've discussed in the past or that we'll cover in the future are unavailable in your country, you can use the GoLogin to access those websites and make money from them, allowing you to be from anywhere in the world, including India, Pakistan, and Philippines, Nepal, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, United Arab Emirates. You can now use a GoLogin to access websites that are restricted to top-tier nations such as the United States, even if they are located in Somalia or any other Tier 3 country in the world. States, United Kingdom, Canada, Brand New Zealand, Australia, etc. Additionally, you can still use the GoLogin if you're from guys. Step 2. To demonstrate how the GoLogin works, let's use an example of it. Will be quite difficult for you to generate even close to $100 or $50 per day on free cash if you solely rely on these offers. Freecash.pro game offer you complete $100 for this game, offer you complete. If you don't use the beginner-friendly secret method I'm going to show you today, you'll be stuck with these low-paying offers even if you spend weeks or months completing these small-paying offers. This is because some of the high-paying offers that are available in the United States, the United Kingdom, or other Tier 1 countries are not available in countries like India, the Philippines, or Russia, and some of the high-paying offers that are available only in the United Kingdom are not as lucrative in the United States, New Zealand, or Australia. Therefore, the key to making $100 every day is to have multiple accounts on the same money-making website, such as Freecash, with the assistance of GoLogin. As you can see, I have already made over £120 on my United Kingdom account, while I have made $90 on my US account. If you create multiple accounts using GoLogin, you can also make anywhere from $20 to $50 per account on any money-earning website, such as the Freecash, and in total you can earn over $100 per day that you can withdraw to your preferred payment method later on. For instance, if you enjoy playing the game Chaos Cruiser and you have already finished the offer on your Freecash account from your country location and were paid for it, you can simply create a new account on Freecash from a different location, such as the United States, using GoLogin.com. There, you will find the same offer for the Chaos Cruiser game app, which you can complete again and be paid again for completing it. The benefit of using GoLogin is that if you are receiving less money in your home country, for instance, you are only getting paid $6 for the Chaos Cruiser game. The third step is to visit GoLogin.com again. I'll now walk you through using the GoLogin to create a new account and use the Cruiser game app in your country. You will receive 5 to 10 times more money for the same offer. For example, I can see that I am getting paid over $80 for the same Chaos Cruiser game on my account in the United Kingdom. All you have to do is make sure that you use a different email address each time you create a new account on the same website, which can be any website that offers Freecash. Numerous accounts on any website, so to start, I'll leave you a link in the highlighted comment and the video description. Click that link to visit this page and sign up for a free GoLogin account after creating your own account on GoLogin. I want you to click the download button located in the upper right corner of the GoLogin website. After that, you just need to select the device you want to use GoLogin on to establish several accounts and make money on various websites. If you have a smartphone, you can download the GoLogin app from the Google Play Store. If you're using a laptop or a computer device, you can select the Windows, Linux, Mac OS, or the Mac OS M series download button from there. After downloading the GoLogin app, it will look like this. All you have to do is double-click on it to begin the installation process. Once it opens, you'll need to log in with the email address and password you created when you registered for the GoLogin website. This is how your dashboard will appear after you log into the GoLogin app. As you can see, I have 3 Freecash profiles on GoLogin for the USA, the UK, and New Zealand. I use my UK and USA profiles the most to make money. However, GoLogin is not a VPN by any means, so you shouldn't use one to try to sneak into any website because most of the time they don't work properly, making it easy to get caught. Additionally, using a VPN is very risky, especially when it comes to your personal data, so I won't recommend you use any VPN services. GoToLogin Anti-Detection Browser is the ideal solution for your issue because GoLogin uses a different country server to make it appear as though you are logging in as a new user in a new place. I will demonstrate how to use GoLogin to create multiple profiles right now, and I will show you how to use it for free, so make sure to watch to the end. All you need to do now to create your profile on GoLogin is click the plus icon next to the name or select the Add Profile option in the upper right corner, which will lead you to this page where you must first name your profile. This is just for your reference, so for example, I might call it Free Cash Germany as I'll be teaching you how to make a Germany profile for free cash. Following that, in the proxy type, you can either add your proxy if you have purchased one, which I highly recommend if you have the funds to do so, or use the GoLogin proxy option from there. In the country drop-down menu, I want you to choose the country for which you want to create your profile. I already have the US, UK, and profiles from New Zealand on free cash. I'll now choose Germany from this list to demonstrate how to set up a free cash profile for Germany on GoLogin. Let everything else remain as it is, then click this right icon to access the advanced settings. From there, simply scroll to the bottom of the page to access the advanced settings and enter the URL of the website you want to create a profile for. In our case, that is the free cash site in the Start URL box. The free cash homepage URL can be accessed by clicking here. Next, navigate back to the GoLogin page and paste the URL of the free cash homepage into this box. Finally, press the Create Profile button at the bottom of the screen, and our Free Cash Germany profile will be ready for use on the GoLogin page. This is our Free Cash Germany profile. To check if this proxy is functioning, click Run, and it will open a new tab where you can see that everything is in the Free Cash Germany profile. The reason for the price difference is that the advertisers on Free Cash are willing to pay US users more than users from other countries. We kind of blame them because they work with companies that want to pay for specific locations, but now that we have the GoLogin to maximize our earnings on the platform, all you have to do is sign up to the US language. If I show you my United States profile, you can see that here we can get paid over $300 per offer we complete, but on the German profile you can see that we can only get paid over $200 only. Or the United Kingdom Free Cash profile and login. From there, you can begin completing the various high-paying offers, and if you work on multiple profiles in a day, start earning over $100 a day. You don't have to stop here, though, as you can see that I have multiple free cash profiles that I use to make over $100 a day. You can use the same strategy by creating multiple free cash profiles. To create another profile, you can either click on these three dots next or follow the same previous steps by pressing the Add Profile button. You can use the GoLogin feature to create and manage multiple accounts on any earning website, affiliate website, dropshipping website, etc. For instance, if ClickBank is not available in your country, or if you want to create a proxy for Canada. Go to the proxy you want to copy, then click the clone option from there, and your free cash profile will be cloned. Now you can click the country proxy icon and just select the country for which you want to create this proxy. Let's say I want to create it for Canada this time, so I will just select the Canadian proxy from there and my free cash Canadian proxy will be ready for me to use. Are unable to register for an account on ClickBank from your country, you can use GoLogin to do so from another, such as the United States or the United Kingdom. Once you have an account, you can begin sharing affiliate links for the products and begin earning commissions on ClickBank. Another excellent example is that you can make a new TikTok from the United States location by going to GoLogin and joining the TikTok Creativity Program to start earning if the TikTok Creativity Program is not available in your nation. Money with it, and so all you need to do to utilize the GoLogin for free is remove all of the additional profiles, such as your Facebook profile, from your account. Just leave the 3 primary profiles here since GoLogin offers you 3 entirely free profiles to use, which is fantastic. Google profile, LinkedIn profile, etc. You still have one more thing to do, which is to click on these 3 lines, then choose the Settings and Members option. This will bring you to the Billing Plans page, where I want you to click. As you can see, I have a professional paid plan because I frequently use the GoLogin for multiple profiles on various websites. However, if you're just starting out and don't have any money to invest, you can simply click on the Change Plan button, which will take you to the pricing page. I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page to see that there's also a free plan available for first-time users like you, where you can get the 3 browser profiles for free. All you have to do is click the TRF Free Plan button next to it, and your free plan will remain active on your Go Login account until you create more than 3 profiles there. Unlike other anti-detect browsers, the 3 technically Go Login profiles are not restricted. Once again, I'll leave my Go Login link in the video description and pinned comment, along with my promo code EarningIdeas340, which will get you 40% off your first paid plan. Go Login profiles will also be saved in the cloud, allowing you to open profiles on any device without carrying your computer with you, which is really amazing. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. The offer won't last long, so click the link right now to get yourself a paid plan of Go Login.